How am I supposed to know if Chandler gets with Rachel? God! Welcome to Objective Offense. Filmed by a bunch of guys that have too much time and not enough disposable income. Now what you're seeing here today is our range where we film all of our shorts. It's a beautiful range. It's not much, but it's mine. So, not only is this range mine, it's ours. We share it. Well, they pay me, capital shit. But we do have a nuisance. It's very annoying. He just pops out of nowhere. Some can call him the Red Scare. But let me take you on a tour. So this is the range here. We got many steel targets. We have the most advanced technology we could find in home defense. We have tires, we have dirt. What more can you fucking ask for? Sometimes, just like us, our targets fall down. They have hard days too.
Oh shit!
Oh shit! Corrosion! Hello! Today on Objective Offense, we are going to be working with the latest and greatest in self-defense technology. Introducing Level 4 bulletproof resistant glass. Now, I know you might be saying, that's a TV. Well, they put it in the TV. This baby, stop a 50 cal. But what we're going to do today is test what caliber it will actually penetrate. So, what we got here to test out as a baseline is an MP40 and 4.5 millimeter pellets. This is an air rifle run on CO2. Velocity unknown. Some say it flies with the god of speed. Whatever his name is. So this is what we got here to test out. We'll be shooting at the steel target downrange before we get to the fun stuff, alright? V40 test, take one.
Ooh.
Wow! That did surprisingly more damage than I thought it would. So much for 50 cal rated. On to our next gun. All that damage. Now for something a little more exciting. What we got here is a GSG STG 44 in 22 long rifle. Oh. This thing is a sturdy squirrel hunting machine. Some people say it's a roided up BB gun. I like to say it's a red rifle. Let's go do some damage. Now, we are not hiding. We are taking cover. You know what men do. Starting World War III. 3, 2, 6, off. Oh!
She started hissing.
Whew. Man, would you look at that? 22 went right through that level 4 class. Let's check the back. You know, I am not seeing any exit. So, what I can concur from this is that bags that come from your house house with a 22 long rifle will protect you. So upon further examination, the 22 caliber round passed through the glass but was caught in the mesh pixels behind it. You should be safe. What we have on the docket today, we have a SIG P320 M17 with a SIG micro red dot and a TLR1 streamlight. Make the whole room look like it's daytime in the middle of the night. What we're going to be shooting is 9mm Luger 115 grain projectile from Tula Ammo, made in Russia. It was cheap. So now we'll see what the damage of 9mm will do. Winning a government contract. 3, 2, 1. There's no way. Holy cow, dude. Look at that.
That had to go through.
No. It had to zoom right by it. Let's check the back out. Got nothing penetrated on this side.
Nothing. Not even a crack.
God. I don't know, boys. Maybe this thing will stop 50 caliber. Out here, it's a Rock Island Armory, 1911, 45 ACP, the Lord's caliber. We are going to be shooting Tula 45 ACP 230 grain projectile. I'm on the Ivory Coast, eating Vermilion snapper. Water is all I think about. I don't know what that Vermilion snapper had in it, but I'm feeling a little high. 1 in a million fucking shot. Did penetrate though, so I have high hopes. Let's try this one more time. Oh! Gee willikers, Batman. That looks like a lot of damage to me. Now, $1 million question. Will this save your life? I am not seeing any damage.
Not even a crack.
It caught the bullet. Well, I guess we gotta go higher. Right here is an 1897 Winchester Model 97. It's 16 gauge. We're gonna be running this beautiful birdshot. Oh, so smooth. Now, before we shoot the TV, we're gonna try it out on a steel target, just to see the spread. I've always wanted to say this. Get off my lawn! That just punched a hole straight through that glass. Got glass here, all over the ground. It's gotta go. It has to punch. No! Wait!
Huh?
They built things good. What we got here is a Ruger 5.7 with a SIG Romeo Zero micro dot and a nice O-light. You always need a good O-light in your life. What we're going to be firing out of it is 5.7 by 28 millimeter hollow point projectile with a gold dot. And ready to rock. Showing why you don't need to spend thousands of dollars on a 5.7. 3, 2. Now, I must disclaim, But this Ruger 5.7 is not my firearm. I do not practice with it. And as you're about to see, I can't hit the fucking broadside of the barn with it. So, I'm gonna hand it off to my cameraman to fire his own pistol. Okay.
Drop the glass all the way down. But did it go through? Dude, this thing is way too strong. Insane.
Now this right here is my St. Victor's Arms, made by Springfield, 5.56 AR-15. I have a burst AR-536 4x dot. And if you're wondering, is that a 28 round YouTube compliant PMAG in my pants, or am I just happy to see it? It's both. Getting demonetized. 3, 2. Boom.
That made a splash.
Would you look at that? This thing has just been destroyed. Ain't much glass left. I think I hit right about there. Oh yeah, you can see where it went through.
Oh yeah.
Now.
$1 million question. No.
What?
Nothing.
Get out of here. Man. You're gonna have to step it up a bit. This one we got here is also not my firearm, but this is a PSA 74. Chambered in 5.45 by 39. Let's go kick some ass. Leaving Afghanistan in 3, 2.
Ooh.
Alright, this had to go through. I hit a little low, got some of the plastic, but I hit most of the glass. But I am not seeing the daylight. Time for the moment of truth. This TV's just laughing at us.
Dude, it hasn't faltered yet.
Yeah. It was definitely made in America. So what we got here is an M44 Mosin Nagant carbine rifle from 1946. Still got beautiful markings on it straight from the factory. And this puppy right here is chambered in the famous 7.62 by 54 rimmed for her pleasure. It is the longest standing and oldest caliber still used in military history. It started its service back in 1891 and is used all the way up to the present day. Also used in the PKM light machine gun, which, going to Ukraine right now, sounds like a good idea. Very tempting. Das Vidanya. I think I got it. Now let's see what damage it has occurred. Man, this TV is taking a lot of carnage. $1 million question. Can it go through?
Not even a chance, dude.
Is there anything like exiting out the bottom? No.
One strong TV, dude.
Yeah. They don't make them like they used to. I mean, this is brand new technology. They make them even better than they used to. Now this old piece of junk, beautiful state-of-the-art military technology, is a Yugoslavian Mauser, chambered in the famous 8mm Mauser. Beautiful cartridge, and just so satisfying to shoot. This has got to do it. It's got to. Bending Berlin, take 2. Yeah. This is the last thing we can throw. Man, it is taking so much damage. But, moment of truth. Have we finally slain this beast? Oh! Oh! All it takes is like a 200-year-old military cartridge to break this modern. Oh my god!
Yeah, that's where the slug came out. That was just.
Holy
That's
cow.
just frag right there. That's a lot of power.
I didn't even see that first. Man. Well, I think we've determined today this state-of-the-art military technology level 4 bulletproof ballistic glass is not 50 cal rated. I paused for dramatic effect. Now, we've had a lot of fun here today shooting at this masterclass of American craftsmanship. Now, you'll be safer out there any caliber, but if you're in that Germany from 1944 and something 800 rounds, I'd find different cover. That has been all we have